Well, the market of AI is quite strong now. It's growing exponentially pretty well. And recently, we have seen its peak. There's a lot of companies like OpenAI, Leonard AI, Perplexity, Google who has laid their AI services to us. These are my most favorite things that an AI can do. Like say I give this AI an image. It can transform it to something else. In this procedural generation, it is also exported as a video. Oh, talking about videos, let's see if AI can make a video for us or not. Let me introduce to our co-host, Mr. David.
AI has entered the world since 1970s, but this boom has never reached the current condition, like the one in 2023. The advancement in facilitating system has headed to maximize the production and ensure efficiency in many ways. Transformations of characters to something really epic, animating some pictures to motion graphics, automatic language translate with my own voice. Hello, this is Circuit Overtime speaking in Ukrainian language.
Привіт, це круговий понаднормовий час, розмовляючи українською мовою.
And expanding photos with generative fill.
Well, I guess you can understand how far we have come. These are some massive advancements in terms of artificial intelligence. Coding explanations and generating program syntaxes has become a worthwhile of one sentence before an entire code block gets generated with satire explanations. Companies like Google, OpenAI has launched their own patented creations of FRAD and chatGPT, which runs on the same principle of that of artificial intelligence. There has been floods of courses over the internet teaching artificial intelligence and is now maximizing profit in this way. A long effort, but let me tell you something which might be a hidden piece of information. Did you ever think of questions like where is AI taking us? Where's the end to it? And what are the developmental stages of AI? These are some facts which should be known by many. Let's see how far we have actually come. Well, the most primitive form of artificial intelligences are rule-based AI systems, like the computer chess game, which is specialized in some technical boundaries and can neither expand nor change the feed of algorithms into it. The next advanced stages are context awareness and retention systems, and domain-specific mastery systems. These AI systems can learn user perspective from conversations. Like if I ask ChatGPT, which was the first rocket carrying humans to moon, it gives me the correct answer. But in the next prompt, if I ask, who were the persons present in it? Then it correctly refers to the previous question. It understands that by persons, I mean the persons present in the rocket that I had mentioned in the previous question. But hold on, we haven't yet passed the stage of domain-specific mastery systems. All the artificial intelligences like ChatGPT, FRAD are trained on informations in a particular domain: education, culture, coding, architecture. But these are human-fed informations. Creations like Sofia too did not pass this stage. The emotions portrayed by robots is actually a deterministic one, which has been programmed into its algorithm. So what lies in front of us? What are the top 3 stages of AI that we can achieve? Well, the third position goes to AGI, known as Artificial General Intelligence. AGI refers to an AI that's pretty much equal to human intelligence in all aspects. It would be capable to learn anything from scratch, understand human emotions, self-awareness, consciousness, and the ability to navigate the world as a human being. If we can manage to surpass this stage 2, we then fall into the category of ASI. ASI is a stage where the AI would surpass human skills to such an extent that it would be cognitive. It would learn to explore in much more efficient manner than a human can ever do. It can outperform humans in almost all economically useful tasks, doing it better, faster. It can send solutions to major issues which are not yet resolved, like the theories of universe or some form factors like climate changes and complete cure to diseases like cancer. The advent to this stage of AI is also far complicated, since it might bring up several consequences. This would lead us to the final stage of AI, or the top stage of AI singularity. This term was first used by Ray Kurzweil as an abstraction from physics. This can be related to the singularity of black holes, where the genetic rules known to us become broken. At this point, it is not only ASI that rules, but also at this point of time, technological growth will potentially lose control from the human hands, since human would witness a perpetual growth of artificial intelligence, where the machines would be smart enough to create similar others contemporary and better than itself. The boom would completely take down the human community and would bring us to a sudden halt. As of now, the concepts of AGI and ASI and AIS remains a concept. but I expect the artificial intelligence technology to grow exponentially. And most likely, the tables would turn back on us itself. The future can provide all necessary informations about us. Even in this video, I have used artificial intelligence to create the script and also create a part of the video by it. This proves the strength and extent up to which AI has been able to reach and would grow in future. And that was top 3 stages of artificial intelligence.